Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to know how I created these beautiful lips, stay tuned. Alright, today I'm going to be using these three shades to create that lip you just saw. First, I'm going with the darkest shade. I'm just going to be using this shade to line the lips, so I'm using a very precise brush. So I'm starting from the Cupid's bow, just so I can have this perfect Instagram looking kind of lips. If you notice, while I'm drawing my lines, I'm trying to also take it down so it's easy for me to blend when it's time to blend. Now I'm doing the same thing for the other side. I'm also going to be lining it, but not the same way I lined the other one. I'm not starting from the Cupid's bow. I'm starting after the Cupid's bow. I just find it easy that way. And then when I'm done drawing down, I come back to that Cupid's bow to just connect the lines. Underline the underlips as well. You just want to make sure that your brush is as precise so you can get a very fine line. I'm just using a brush without product to kind of blend that shade we used to line into the lips so the next shade can sit properly. Now I'm going in with my red shade. I'm just going to be using this in the middle. The lipstick brand I'm using is from Beyond Beauty. I just love this lipstick because it doesn't break, it dries matte, and it's just very beautiful to use. Next, I'm going in with a plain brush that has no product to blend that red shade into the first shade we used. So I'm just going in like a windshield wiper kind of motion and sometimes circular motions to blend it properly into each other. Next, I'm using the orange shade. I'm putting this just in the middle, and I'm also going to be blending it into the red and the first shade we used. Next, I'm using an eyeshadow palette, taking the orange and yellow shade, putting it in the middle. The eyeshadow uses Ezekiel brand from one of the eyeshadows called Rios. It just gives the lip this beautiful color I really like. Just blending it in, and that is all for the lips. I hope you enjoyed and you learned a thing or two. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to be showing you how I created these beautiful eyeshadows on her. Subscribe, hit the notification button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Bye. Thank you.